Hey, where are you? I reserved the party already. You're late. Oh, okay, you're almost here? Okay, I guess I'll see you later. You're not allowed to come in unless you're fashionable. Okay, see you later, girl. Bye. Sorry I'm late. I could have seen the mask. Fashionably late. What are you doing? The guards won't let you in unless you're fabulous. I thought it was a costume party, isn't it? Look, see, I'm beautiful. No, that's toilet paper. Get that off you. We can't go inside unless it's beautiful. We're supposed to be welcoming the little sisters, but with Riptide's bodyguards, they won't let us go in unless we're beautiful, like me. What made you think this is a costume party? Oh, look at Riptide's bodyguards. See? Look at their costumes. You're right, they really are scary, but we still need to find me something to wear. Yeah, I guess. I really did use toilet paper for this costume anyways. Hello my little pies, and today I'm helping Vacay Baby get a fashionable enough outfit to go inside Riptide's party and to let her very mean looking bodyguards pass through. So here we got a fashion crush, Zaza zip bracelets, and they're so cute. So I got a rocker, so here I got this fashion crush here, since hopefully there's something really fashionable, like a black dress or something really cute. Oh, okay. Cutie Pie's gonna get mad at me because we're opening this without her. Yeah. The checklist. It's cute. It's so tiny. Okay. Let's get something really fashionable, like a black dress or something like that. It's like a Halloween, not Halloween, Christmas dress or something. Something really fashionable. Okay, no point of that. Okay, let's see. There's a hat in the day. Hat in the day. Hat in the day. Take this off now. It's a little laundry basket. So cute. Open this monstrosity up. Ooh, look how soft that looks. Just like a perfect globe. Okay, see, like it's like a little red inside. I think it's going to be LOL 01. That's what I think. So I got this halfway out. Got it. Okay, slip right through. Oh look! It's all the hearts. I'm gonna try to save the hearts because they're so cute. I think they're impossible to save. You got like a little gold chain right here. I'm gonna try to take those out because they're so cute. And keep the hearts. You really can't find this holographic glitter anyway, so. Okay, I got it out. This is still a perfect solution almost. It's like a perfect solution for the party. So they have a present to bring too. LOL Life. I think it's good enough for them to accept. Oh, there's jello in the shoes. So let's move over this jello so it won't be all messy. They won't accept messy and dirty people. They gotta be nice and fresh and clean. And brush their teeth. So now, Vacay Baby is going to get dressed. Come on, Vacay Baby, let's get you something to get dressed. Okay, I'll go put it on. Oh. Got it. I'm about done. You look so glamorous. Yeah, I had better days, but at least it's comfortable. Now, let's open that bracelet over there. Okay, so here we got the Zaza zip bracelets for her outfit to complete it. It's Rocker, one of her BFFs from season 1, even though she's younger. It's okay. And Rocker's a little bit older. And we got Troublemaker. She was so cute. She's a kitty. And I like these. Okay. So here we have Alyssa. And here we have Rocker. Oh, she's so cute. She's actually kind of squishy. I'm okay. Wow, you're scary. Okay, so now let's open this up. Oh wait, not open it up. Let's put it on now. I got the bracelet on. So, I think it's so cute. It fits perfectly. I think Troublemaker is so cute too, and Rocker is so cute too. Oh, I love the black and pink. That's why I love the Alyssa. So happy I got this bracelet because they're so cute. I'm gonna see if I can get Crystal Queen because I think she's really cute too. So I was wondering you two, can we go in now? Number 9. Is that a yes? Yay, we could go inside. Yay. Oh, see, I'm going in.